Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Promise. I'm back with another banging video. So guys, today is a different video. I decided to start my lock journey. So today we're doing sister locks on my hair. Start my lock journey with me. I can rap. I need to sing for you. So guys, all this stuff I show you, that's all you need. It comes with 3 pin in the thing. It's $7 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box below for you to check it out. Guys, I didn't pat this hair long myself. I shouldn't take the credit. I asked Grace to pat my hair long. So I got 7 in the back. I got 9 in the back and then 8 at the front. So that's 17. Guys, I have to learn how to do this hair off camera because I'm not about to make myself shine hair. So this is how I do it. I put the thread. Well, I call it my own hair thread. I put my hair, like I loop it into the pin. Like you putting a thread in, that's how I do the hair. And then just sew it in, just the way how you weave hair. So you sew it in out. Simple, that's how I will explain it. Guys, this take forever looping this hair into this thing. So I just decided to do single braids, macro braids. Is it macro braids or macro braiding? Macro braids. Okay. I just decided to do it. So it's one side Sisterlocks and then mostly in the middle macro braids. So it's mixed. But I have to make it easy for myself. So after I finish doing the single braids, I use the pin and then sew it in. So just watch and see what I did. Guys, this hair take 1 week to complete. Let me tell you now. So if you're doing it on yourself, I think you should just go with single braids. Or like 2-strand twist or something. 2 twists on yourself. And then just start locking it. But it's expensive for somebody else to do it. Let me tell you. This is 309 braids on my hair. So you should know how long it would take. If you get in 450, 500 single braids, that's too long. That's too much. So yeah, that's the easy one to do on your own hair. Guys, my hair was hurting. My hair hurt me for 1 week after I finished doing this hair. I think that the cheapness carrying me so, but anyway, let's forget my cheapness and get into this hair. So I just do the same thing over and over, braid and then loop, braid and then loop the hair. The reason why I'm looping it is not because the braids is not tight, but my hair, it got a heat damage. I have heat damage hair right now because I suppressed my hair and they really didn't use heat protecting stuff. So yeah. That's why I'm looping it for it to be tight because what if I go wash it and it just come out? I'm not about to start over. This take too long for it to complete. God forbid. So guys, this is how the hair came out. I really love the hair. Guys, I'm proud of myself. You see me showing off? Like, I'm really proud of myself to complete this hair. 309 braids. That's a lot. So guys, I tried to curl my hair from the back, but the front, it's not curling, it's not giving what it's supposed to give. So I decided to use my H2O hydration therapy spray to make it wet, so I should just use the perm curl roller thing to curl the hair for the front to give that loose curl thing I'm going for. But I use the roller at the front and then put it back in a brace because the back is easier to curl. So yeah. The next day, this how the hair look. I'm taking the curls out, but it's not trying to curl, so let's just leave it. Let's just leave it with no trouble. So I'm not here for that one. So guys, this how the hair look. This how it came out. The curls, it's okay, but I'm trying to put it in like a style for us to go out, but I don't know which style to do. So I just got Bruce to help me to show me style because she be doing small ponytail thing. See her face behind there. So I just decided to go with half up, half down ponytail and the bangs at the front. It was cute. It was giving what it's supposed to give. But that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you love this video and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. See you. This is 3 weeks of Locs. That's how it look. Guys, I give it to people that have Locs on for like 5 to 6 years. I give it to them. I get this lock on. I already tired of it and I already looking old. Like I'm tired of it now. But I'll probably like do some braids over it. I'm not too sure. But let's see if I can go 2 months. If not, I'm going to take it out. But yeah, I give it to you. You're scrum. 1 star every time. You're scrum. Alright, see ya. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Peace out.